Alright guys, the biggest comparison of fast of cables on earth. Vention Ethernet cable, flat cat 7 patch cable 20 meters, and Ethernet cable Vention cat 6 UTP patch cable 30 meters. Now I show you speed, Wi-Fi speed. How fast is it without cables? See, it's really slow. Can work with this slow speed. That's why I bought the cable. Alright, just 40 megabytes per second and upload 26 megabytes per second. 40 milliseconds ping. Now I will install cable Ethernet. Guys, welcome back. Now I'm connected by Ethernet cable Vention flat cat 7 patch cable 20 meters, and let's see how fast is it. That's better. Yeah, that's real better. I think this is a good cable, faster than by Wi-Fi. Okay, welcome back guys. You see I'm back on Ethernet again, connected on Ethernet cable Vention cat 6 UTP patch cable 30 meters, and now we will see how fast is it. Yeah, same speed. Really surprised, much cheaper, much longer, and the same speed. Well done, Vention. You surprised me. Nice job.